Today we are having a 2-day 1-night staycation at SgHotelOnWheels. Okay, the location here is downtown east, car park, Begonia car park, and this is the Singapore's first ever roving concept hotel. So they will rove around locations, but for the first location is at downtown east. So there are 2 types of rooms here that you can choose from. One is a 20-footer container hotel, and that is for 2 adults, but you can actually have maximum 2 adults, 1 child. And there is a 40-footer container, and this one is meant for 4 adults. So but if you have a kid below 12 years old, you can also bring along. So let me show you the 40-footer container hotel which we will be staying. This is the one. So it's 40-footer long, and you have your own outdoor area as well. So bring proper footwear. And at this outdoor area, there are 4 very cozy chairs, and right now it's wet, so we can't sit down actually. We'll go up first. Come. This is digital lock. Okay, we have not actually went into the room, so this is our first look at the room. Okay, first of all, I think we have to remove our footwear. Okay, so let's find all the lights first. Okay, this is the one. This one, porch light. So this lights the main area once you come in to the entrance. And what can we see here? Wow, there's a very big double sofa. See, double sofa. So this 40-footer container hotel, it can house up to 4 adults. So there is a small room over, which I'll show you later, that there is a queen size bed, and another 2 adults can actually turn this double sofa into a bed. We'll do it later. Okay, I think it's very nice also that there is a table big enough for more than 4 packs. Because usually for hotel rooms we couldn't have this, but this is really nice.
Right here there is the Wi-Fi name, and this where you can put at your door to show please make up my room, or the other side please do not disturb. Here there is the toilet light, the side light, and the water heater. This
a lot of space to keep the bags that we bring, all the that we buy.
There is some towels and a little shower.
I think the decor is really nice. Let me see what they provide. Okay, so they have the basic kit, and there is a sanitizer as well. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's try to open this. Okay, more things that we can keep store. Oh, actually for the shower area there are 2 types as well. That's fantastic. Okay, so now we will go on to the kitchen area. This kitchen area is only available for 40-footer container hotel.
You can find the fridge. It is very large. But you can see there's tons of space for you and 3 water bottles. You can find 4 glass cups and a jar thingy. You can also find that the sponge and a lot of things for you free. There's a machine that is a coffee machine, which is small little cups. Yeah. There are utensils like knives, spoons and forks. And there are some more utensils here. There's also a microwave and a stove and a junction cooker.
Now we will open up the room that has a queen size bed.
Wow! So there is this wonderful painting over here. There's a Hey Google, a gigantic cupboard with some hangers and an umbrella. And
Sorry, I don't understand.
there's this deep purple UV sanitizer and this LED photon therapy mask. Oh, and there's even a TV right there. There's also 2 hair dryers over here and a censored dustbin with some slippers. And there is this.
Okay, there's a blind here, so during the daytime if you want to, you can actually wind up the blinds and take a look at the scenery outside. And we noticed there's this device here which is pretty interesting. I think it's more like a humidifier come the purifier, because there are some options like fan, sleep, smart. So let's say if I choose smart, okay, there is an indication of the temperature, humidity and also PM 2.5. So I think this helps to purify the air that is ventilating in here and also removing the dust. Yep, that's all for the 40-footer container hotel, and now we have to bring in our stuff and luggages. See you. When it's the night time, we'll need to pull down the blinds so that the people from the outside will not be able to view what is happening inside. And this is our dinner. Hello.
Hello.
And the table is large enough to fit 5 of us.
morning time and our breakfast is cup noodles.
We are checking out at 11 a.m. Okay, we really enjoy ourselves. It's a great staycation for a family like us. Thank you and see you. Bye-bye. Let's go.